Hi, in this little quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a Google Calendar event. And let's say this event is reoccurring. So I'm going to set that up and show you how to put it as a reoccurring event. Let's say that I have a meeting that I want to do with my team every Monday at noon. And I want to just enter it in once and have it just reoccur. So I'm going to go into the more options first. I'm going to give it a title. And then you can add the guests who you want to join your team meeting. Let's say it's Al and Corey. And then here's where it is. So right now it's set up for March 23rd from noon to 1. And that's the end. And it's set to does not repeat. We want to click that down. And I like to so you can either say, well, it's going to repeat at this time every day. You can just click that. Is it going to repeat every Monday? Yep, it does. I can click that. Maybe it's every monthly on the fourth Monday. Maybe it's annually. Or it's every weekday. Or you can click this custom one. So let's say you want to do Monday and Wednesdays. Who knows? You want it to repeat every week, or maybe it's every other week. So you would change that to every 2 weeks. There we go. And then ends never means that it'll be on your calendar until you take it off for every Monday and Wednesday at noon. Or let's say ends on, you can put June 22nd because that's probably right around the same time that school ends. Or maybe you only want to meet 5 times, so you have that as 5. You decide, and then you click done. And that's basically it. So that's how you set up a reoccurring meeting. And then when you save it, it'll notify the people I added in here that we have a reoccurring meeting set up. And when they go into their Google Calendar, they can click on the meeting link if you want it to do virtually. And they just have to go into the event, click on the meeting link, and then you guys can join virtually together.